Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick TikTok tutorial video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to add multiple accounts on TikTok. This is a very easy way to do, so make sure to watch this video until the very end because if you guys follow the same set that I am about to show, you can also do it yourself. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, we'll open our TikTok mobile application and then from here we'll go to our profile. Now to add any of the new account to your profile, you simply have to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. After that, you have to go to settings and privacy. From here you have to scroll down all the way long. Then there is an option named as switch account. You have to tap on this. And now if you have already logged into your account, then there it will be shown here. If you want to add another account, you have to tap on add account. Now there is a couple of options given to us by TikTok. You can continue by using your phone number, email or username. You can continue with Facebook, Google and Twitter. So now for the sake of this video, I am simply going to use more phone number and email. Now here is an option named as email and then there is an option of phone. So I am typing with my email. After that, you have to tap on next. Then it will log into my account. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumb. First of all, you have to verify your identity from here. Then it will ask you password and here your account will be logged in. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.